are you doing? It's a single lane here.
Back and not feel a little bit like, you know what? This guy's been making the right moves for years, right under your noses, and you guys haven't been trying to run this guy out of town.
It just goes right through the red light. I think that guy just ran. Yeah, he did.
Yeah, you did. Well, I can't make it. I would love to be able to come up there with this one on the floor. Where did he say last night? I don't know. Where did he say?
Whoa, what is going on up there?
Especially the playoffs, right? So the New York Mets sweeping the Chicago Cubs. Hot berry cookies. Baseball race, right? Right. The New York Mets
What are you doing?
5. San Francisco was going to get hammered last night by
Holy shit, you're like 2 inches off that fucker's bumper.
You gotta
Turn signal. Yeah, they'll signal in front of that cement truck up on that. You're like barely 6 inches from my bumper.
They want to do that. That's what I'm going to do after seeing the Blue Jays all year and see what they do against left-handed pitching.
What are you doing?
The reason why, preference has nothing to do with anything. It has to do with the fact that I'm just trying to minimize the days with
last second move over that truck up there.
See you next time.
What? Come on. Wrong side of the road. Just to get around one guy? He wasn't even turning left? Just go right through the red light.
Make the call, 877-337-6666, or possible by our friends at
Light's red.
For some reason, I don't know what it is. The 86 roll 600, it's a very finite range. So right now, boom, game 3, which is the first game at City Field, right, which is Friday night, October 30th.
Oh, you're kidding me, right?
Here we go. Yeah. Round number 3, it's tied at 1. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Berlin, take my breath away.
Oh,
so,
all right.
I was starting to see for the steel boomer. Come on, what is that? Come on, I don't know. For the steel boom? I'm sorry, I don't know. Al. He's hitting home runs. I'm surprised they don't walk for a fair.
What?
All right.
You've got to be kidding me.
Interesting the next team does in these situations.
You're welcome.
I don't. I think they've got
the Mets are going to give. I'm making this up. Boom. The Mets are going to give Murphy $65 million. They give Setzer $70. This mid-sized Porsche ran from Mercedes-Benz has the payload, durability, and versatile strength you'd expect from a large model that fits in your garage.
What the hell's that guy doing?
From 15,000 miles, Mercedes-Benz vans are at 7:20, and the Rangers home to Arizona tonight. The Section 16H group will be holding their annual tailgate for a cause for Sunday prior to the Giant Cowboys.
Seriously? What the hell? Got a left turn. Gotta be in the right lane for some reason. E2? That's what to say. That being... No, it's not. It's a board.
Can you drink on another level? Another
Can't
big
be in the
news
left
story
lane.
of the year concerned the ecumenical.
not a good idea to do that. Audi. Audi again. What the hell?
TV's gonna break, I'm not buying it. His eyes went dead. Nobody had ever said that before.
Ranger at the end of the night, wasn't it, huh? Talking about shit like solving the world's problems, and the only reason you're in this is because he has the coke. That should have been a fucking sign, don't you think? I mean, it's
slamming the brakes
coke
for
to be
people like
choosing
that.
the bathroom going, I know you didn't do it.
You're just gonna keep going. Yeah. Too early over the thing. Stop 95. And a last second exit guy. Big huge space. No problem. But you're squeezing there for some reason. Exit ramp cheap. Way up there. On the left. Yeah, he's just gotta get on the shoulder to go around you.
Condo could blow up, and the TV will still be on. The condo blows up.
Fuck everybody in the neighborhood while she gone.
And you send your woman to the Bahamas. Your fine woman.
Oh,
you
that
send
fucking
her
truck up
to
there.
the Bahamas
Pickup truck.
by herself. And you know she's fine. She's your woman. And she laying on the beach all day and get a tan.
Mission trying to run, like the war in G. Seen a club full of girls, they don't need searching what's up with 213. Someone select on 21 and 3.
Yeah, that guy's exiting last second up there. Truck in the left lane. You just go right through the stop sign and then okay.
It's dark outside now and it's getting kinda late. The date was great, but here comes the moment that I hate. It's too bad, all of the
Oh, he's merging over now.
Last week, the Cowboys put a tremendous press against that 5 times in the first half. His pass will always make adjustments. We know that. They don't have Soul there, he's gone.
Wow! That's dumb. What the hell's that guy doing? What the hell's that guy doing? What was that? What was that? One part of that? Are you serious? Legally into the carpool lanes up there. Truck up there into the carpool lane. Wow. Right turn from the left lane.
Home against Tampa Bay. Gators points, but should be good for a couple of intersections. But that's not a great matchup for them either. I don't think when you look at defense, you just want to find the games that are going to be low scoring, not a lot of.
What the fuck?
But I would say yes.
Yeah, 3 bulldogs up there.
I'm fairly...
What's that guy doing? Is he seriously trying to back up to get to that exit? Yeah. And everyone's going to get over the thing because, well, that's what we do here.
He pushed me. And I skated. It was...
Wrong side of the road, Ben.
And I didn't do one block around or...
Jeez, he's gonna pull out right in front of me?
Kids!
And that's red light runner.
They shouldn't have been in the way of the front.
Yeah, merge. Wait for a second to do so, man. Oh my. If I can't see you, you're not there. That's it. Is that red? Or green?
On a chariot made of chocolate and feathers. There I will sit at God's side, enjoying the fruits of 70 brown-eyed virgins.
One before you win 2. You know, Boomer taught me that because you know what he said, Joe? He said 1 shift, 1 minute, 1 goal, 1 period, 1 hockey team.
What the hell?
He taught us that.
Wow. You've got to be kidding me.
Somalia, see,
And
I don't know, that
Subaru
was
runs
a tough
red light.
situation. We should have...
Yeah, why are we sitting here? Oh, now you signal. Kind of knew you were doing that, but principle of the thing, you know? Red light runner. You're kind of out on the street a little bit there. It might be a little bit better to handle if you weren't on your cell phone. I'm just saying. Fuck! Turn signal.